Non-custodial means that you are not the person that the child lives with. That's all it means. Because a person is a non-custodial parent, that does not necessarily imply, it does not 9 times out of 10 imply that anything is wrong with them as a parent. It does not mean that they're unfit because they're non-custodial. It doesn't mean that they're somehow a danger to the child because they're non-custodial. It doesn't mean that they cannot participate in raising their child because they are non-custodial. It simply means that their child does not live with them. Maybe the child doesn't live with them because they live in California and the child lives in Tennessee. That would mean that they're non-custodial. Maybe they're non-custodial because they drive trucks 4 days out of a week and they can't be home to manage the child in their home an equal amount of time. Maybe they're non-custodial because they decided that it's best for the child to live with someone else in a different school district or the best school district. There are a number of reasons that a person is a non-custodial parent that do not mean that they are dangerous or that they are somehow a lesser parent than the custodial parent. When a child has two parents, the law presumes that those parents are on equal footing when it comes to raising their child. We could also talk about how some custodial parents are mad about how the relationship ended. And so they want to keep the non custodial parent from doing these things, from having these things, from knowing these things about their child. We could also talk about how literally a law had to be created called the Parental Bill of Rights just so it could be known that non custodial parents should have the same rights as a custodial parent. There's a lot of things that we can say. There are a lot of ways that families are made up. There are a lot of reasons why families are made up the way that they are. It does not necessarily mean 9 times out of 10, it does not mean that one parent is less than the other.